Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Hajira's Cooking Corner. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the bell icon. Today on our channel, we are going to make cocoa almond spread and cocoa spread. These two spreads are very easy to make and also with minimum ingredients. These two spreads are made without any chocolate or heavy cream milk. You will be wondering how. So let's get started without waiting. First, let's start with our cocoa spread. Ingredients for cocoa spread: unsweetened cocoa powder half cup, corn flour 2 teaspoon, granulated sugar half cup, milk half cup, butter 2 to 3 teaspoon. Let's make our cocoa spread with only 5 ingredients. Into a saucepan, add cocoa powder, granulated sugar, a dash of salt, and finally corn flour. Mix all the dry ingredients well. After mixing everything, I am going to add milk. Add milk into batches. Give it a whisk. Make sure there are no lumps formed. Now I am going to add the remaining milk and give a final mix. Now a mixture is ready. I am going to place this on a medium-low heat and let it boil for 2 minutes. Once you see there's a roll in the mixture, keep on whisking continuously. Make sure you don't burn the mixture. Keep on whisking until the mixture forms into a thick paste. This is the perfect consistency. Now, turn off the flame and add the butter. I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of butter. This is the final stage. Now keep on whisking continuously. You see, the mixture have turned glossy and our cocoa spread is ready. I am going to transfer this into a glass container. Let the mixture cool down on a room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can store this cocoa spread into the fridge up to 10 to 15 days. This cocoa spread is one of the bliss. You can use this as a frosting on your cake and much more. Let's start with our next recipe, that is cocoa almond spread. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup almonds, cocoa powder half cup, icing sugar 250 grams, butter 2 to 3 tablespoons, and a dash of salt. Let's start making our almond cocoa spread with 5 ingredients. Firstly, start roasting the almonds. I am roasting my almonds in the popcorn maker machine. You can use a normal tawa to roast your almonds. My almonds are almost roasted. Smells really nice. Now I am going to transfer the almonds into a bowl and I will set it aside to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, our almonds have cooled down and I am going to transfer the almonds into a blending jar. Transfer all the almonds and blend it into a fine paste. Firstly, when you're blending, it will turn into a powder. Make sure you blend it again and again until you see the oil separates from the almond. Scrape out the sides and blend it again. As you see, the oil is separating from the almonds and our almond paste is hot and ready. Scrape out the sides and add our dry ingredients. I am going to add cocoa powder, icing sugar, a dash of salt, and finally butter. Give it a nice blend, and in between you can add vanilla essence. It is really optional. Give it a final blend and our cocoa almond spread is ready. I'm going to transfer this cocoa almond spread into a glass container As you can see, the consistency of the spread is very flowy and very smooth. You can store this cocoa spread into the refrigerator up to 10 to 15 days. Enjoy this cocoa almond spread instantly on tortillas. If you have liked the recipe, do try the recipe and please drop in your valuable suggestions and comments in the comment sections. Finally, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you for watching.